She's doing the cinnamon challenge in her hand. Let me see. Look at all that cinnamonness.
It's not a lot, but I can't get much more.
You need
ready?
You need a spoon. There's a spoon right there. Get a spoon and fill it up. That's a knife. She's doing the cinnamon challenge. That's not enough. That's not enough. You need
How many? Like, take off the top?
Okay, we're taking off the top. Hold this. Hold it. Record it.
How do you do it?
I don't like that.
Here, hold this.
Hazelnut. I need coffee so I can put this. Is the coffee for here?
No.
Thanks.
They just have free coffee.
They do? Free coffee?
Yeah, but it's normally over there and they close it right now.
Dang.
Alright, there we go.
Oh, she's doing the cinnamon challenge. You're going to start choking, so you might want to get out of here.
I know.
She did the cinnamon challenge. Are you okay? Oh, God. Move your hair out of the way. We need to get ice water now. We need ice water. I can't believe you just did that. Your shirt's dirty now. It's got cinnamon on it. I can't believe you did that. That'd be a good hiding place. Are you okay? Water fountain! This is going on Twitter too. This has to go. You okay?
Yeah. Oh, crap. This might take a while.
I can't believe you did that.
Yeah.
You should do it again. That's Cindy. She just did the cinnamon challenge.
Oh, it's stuck in the back of my throat.
Oh, great. It's stuck in the back of her throat. Let's watch her drink as much water as she can possibly swallow, which is pretty much her body weight in water. Are you okay? Yeah?
Go get me a freaking napkin.
I'll go get you a freaking napkin. I can't believe you did that. Are you gonna go tell him? Are you gonna go tell him that you did the cinnamon challenge?
Did you talk?
He can't hear you.
Did you talk? Thank you.
Oh, have a Jesus, where did he go?
I know, right?
I'm gonna go tell my mom that you just did the cinnamon challenge.
No.
Oh my God, that.